Hey there, Brian Clark here, and I'm doing this video to show you what the Thesis theme for WordPress is all about. Thesis powers my site Copyblogger, plus several other projects I've got going. And don't forget the scores of other major sites that run on Thesis as well. Truth is, calling Thesis a WordPress theme isn't quite accurate. It's way more than that, but we'll get to that in a minute. So first, let's talk SEO. So what's your blog or site design got to do with search engine optimization anyway? Well, it all comes down to something most WordPress themes sacrifice in the name of design, that being rock-solid code. Here's how search engines work. What search engines do is analyze the HTML code of websites to find the content that tells them what a particular page is about and where to rank it. If your code is bloated and full of errors, search engines may have no clue what your content is about, which pretty much makes you invisible. Valid and optimized code gives you an advantage in the battle for top search rankings. All other things being equal, Google likes clean code better. So why does bad code happen? Well, when it comes to WordPress themes, free and paid alike, the culprit is often the design itself. Sometimes it's sloppy work, but other times it's innocent. Let me explain. Basically, when the code that search engines see is linked to your design elements, compromises have to be made that affect how clean your code looks to Google. But what are you going to do about that? Well, how about we separate the HTML code from the design markup? Presto, Google couldn't be happier, and you're free to do anything you want design-wise. Better yet, anytime you feel like changing your look, your underlying code is never altered, so those rankings you've worked hard for won't fluctuate. And your underlying code will always be state-of-the-art with every update of Thesis, and all those future updates are included for you for free. Plus, with the built-in Thesis SEO options in the WordPress posting area, you won't need plugins or anything else to properly optimize your content for prime search results. So there you have it. That's one reason why Thesis is not really just a WordPress theme. It's more of an SEO optimized code framework that supports anything you want to do design-wise, now and tomorrow. But that's only one reason why Thesis is so innovative. The other way Thesis goes beyond the typical WordPress theme is the flexibility. Let's take a look at what you can do with Thesis right out of the box with no coding or custom design whatsoever. It's all powered by two point-and-click option panels. The Thesis option panel lets you tweak all sorts of elements of your theme without digging into the code. It's all point-and-click. For example, decide how you want title tags to show, fill in a meta description, choose how author, date, and comments display, drop in your stats code, change your default feed address to your new feed burner address, plus lots more. You've got tons of control without code. You can also decide at this panel whether or not you want the Thesis multimedia box to show. You can choose to rotate pictures or ads, display video, or drop in custom code, even for flash animation. Or choose not to use it at all, or only on certain posts or pages. Then, things get really interesting with the Thesis Design Options panel. Here you can control font types and sizes in every area of the theme. You can choose from 1, 2, or 3 column layouts in the size of your content area and columns, all point and click. You can add features and teasers with thumbnails to give your site a magazine look and feel, all from this control panel. Keep in mind though, this is just an overview. To see up close and in detail what Thesis can do, we've got links below this video to in-depth demo videos of what Thesis has under the hood. Watch them all or just the ones that interest you. You'll see firsthand how Thesis has raised the bar for WordPress users. And finally, beyond SEO and design flexibility, the biggest Thesis benefit of all, support. The Thesis members-only community is filled with over 5,000 of your fellow webmasters, plus the Thesis support and development team. You're not in this alone when you need answers and help thanks to our lively members-only support forum. You'll have all the help and resources you need to make Thesis work for you. And if you choose to go custom, like I did with Copyblogger, you'll have access to qualified Thesis-specific designers who can make your version of Thesis unique to you for reasonable prices. So now you know why Thesis is the most innovative and user-friendly SEO-optimized WordPress framework on the planet. And the Thesis team is busy making it even better all the time. Remember, you get all future updates of Thesis for free. Plus, we're developing turnkey design options for quick and easy customized looks.